I had to make a snap decision.
What the fuck?
I guarantee the 𝘮𝘮𝘭𝘦.
No.
He didn't get out and have him last back the agreement before the deal was over.
Have you lost
I'm
it?
sure I can get them there.
Loren!
If I get him at the 20 when we make $1 million, baby, come on, take the rest.
Loren, you have committed us to a potential debt of $2 million.
You know what, Jerry? Sometimes life goes nowhere unless you close your eyes and jump.
When your partner's tied to your goddamn ankles, maybe you ask him first.
Hey, I'm deeply ashamed, Jerry, that you have been the breadwinner all these years. It's a situation I swore I'd never get myself into now. This is my chance to earn self-respect.
Honey, this isn't fair.
I could get him up to 20.
Leave it, Dominic! Leave it!
I know. I shouldn't have done it. I know you're not a risk taker by nature.
What?
I knew you'd blow a gasket.
I want to be consulted before my life is ruined, so I'm not a risk taker.
I don't blame you, Cherry. Your father is the same.
Do you think I'm like my father?
No.
I hate the way my father lives. You know that. The neatness, the sterility, the clipped edges. You think that's me?
No, of course not.
My parents are both pathological obsessive compulsives.
I wasn't saying
The fact that I don't smile in the face of imminent wipeout gets me like my parents.
No.
And if there's any parent to blame here, it's your mother. Breathlessness is a way of life.
At least she's not living dead.
She has Alzheimer's. She goes on trekking expeditions to the fucking Himalayas.
Mild. She has mild Alzheimer's.
Sure, I'll take the helicopter that finds her. She gets back. She doesn't even remember she's dead.
Well, it's too late. I've signed the agreement, and there's nothing I can do about it. It's terrifying. It is all so exciting. Come on, Jerry, we don't want to wake up when we're 80 and say, oh, if only we paid him a rent.
Hey, you know what we say when we're 80. Hurry up or we'll be last in line at the soup kitchen.
Hold on a second. Get out of here, Nicky. Get out and try and make it still happen.
His ass.
Shut up. Betty Davis. That will make a lot of dough. Okay, Grandpa. Now we just close your boat. Nice week for coffee. Hey. Right. John Gray. Don, the painting's yours. What? Wait, idiot! I client declined your hire. Let me tell you something about your bloody clients. There is nothing you could tell me that I don't already know. 21. So, it's yours already. You've earned it. 41? What the hell is being bought by a soulless corporation who wouldn't earn art from their collecting arseholes? Are you sure? 22! 22! Are you sure you've been drinking a little too much? You're drinking too much. No, no. You're gonna change your mind tomorrow. 23! Oh my God, John! Are you sure? No. I'd never walk again. It just would have been so wonderful. All over the world, and I'll shuttle in between them, and I'll private jet with my butlers and my assistant and my old terminal hairdresser. You wait there, you just wait and see. I'm gonna have a lifestyle the whole world will let me, and you're gonna wait till you believe in me!
Do I really want to sell my soul again? And again? Woman I thought I wanted to be, kicked slightly to a woman I was. But who the cock what by? Someone I did like. I called Jerry that I headed over hers. Or could be gay. Let's just try to work through this shit. The best romance in my life been with you, and I want to help them back again. About the kid we talked about, how, you know, the view east to shirt. I got pretty burnt out, and he kind of. So here I am. No money. No job. No money. But maybe it's a blessing. At least the dreams are gone. And who knows, he might call it that. But if he doesn't, I'll start again.